Boys, I have a great idea. Are you gonna measure China's ego? Nah, I'm gonna measure the land you lost. You both are weak worms. Guys, can you listen to my idea? Sure. What if the four of us go back in time? Bro, I don't think that's a good idea. Remember what happened to Ireland? Now say uncle! Uncle! You got a point there, but listen, why don't we visit the Soviet Union? You are not killing my father. No, I meant for a friendly visit. Exactly, Bo. What were you? Let's go back in time. After going back in time. What the? Who are you? Dad? I didn't make a weak country. Bro is sick of his own son. Guys, let's kill him. Wait, what? We'll nuke all your soldiers. Don't forget about the bases. We'll destroy you. I'm